Bring it on. I'm feeling sharp as a spoon.
All right, Ravi. It's time for Guess That Idiom. I'll show you a visual. You guess the idiom and its meaning. You get 3 guesses. Okay, what does this image say to you?
Lazy cat with commitment issues?
Nope.
Cat yoga on bricks?
Haha, not quite.
Wait, cat on the wall means someone who's undecided.
Bingo! Cat on the wall meaning someone who can't decide. Next one. What do you think?
Backbreaking homework?
Nope.
High school survival hike?
Close-ish.
Ugh. Wait, carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. It means someone who feels responsible for everything.
Spot on. Idiom 2. Carry the weight of the world on your shoulders, meaning feel overwhelmed by responsibility. All right, Ravi, what's happening here?
That's me when I ate that super spicy pani puri.
Creative but wrong.
Oh, it's liar liar, pants on fire, meaning someone's lying.
Correct again. 3 for 3. You're on fire.
This looks like my uncle trying to catch dinner.
Haha. Try the idiom, though.
Running around like a headless chicken, meaning acting in a panicked or unorganized way.
Boom! Another one nailed. Final round. What's this one?
Steal the show, meaning to attract the most attention or praise.
And guess who just stole the show? You.
I'd like to thank my brain, my chai, and my not-so-smart first guesses.